Amsoil, legendary products by a company devoted to protecting your engine. To celebrate 4 decades of innovation, one lucky fan will be going home in this 1972 Ford Mustang Mach 1.
We're at R&R Performance, dynoing the Amsoil Mustang engine, 351 Cleveland. Did really well today. We got big horsepower numbers, we got big torque numbers, made 437 peak horsepower and 428 peak torque. So really happy with that. For a low compression engine, it's 9.7 to 1. Going to be able to run a real safe pump gas in it. And all in all, it did great. Really happy with it. Now that the engine's dynoed, we'll finish getting the car prepared so we can get the engine and drivetrain back in.
Follow the Build on our Amsoil Inc. Facebook page and register to win at amsoil.com/musclecar. Amsoil, devoted to protection since 1972.